A ver, Mela, ¿cómo le haces? Mamã's a professional, ¿verdad, ma? Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. It's 22. I want to let you guys know that it's been day 4 on us seeing no sun. The sun has not been out here. It is gloomy. It's freaking freezing. I think there's frost on the grass. Wait. My camera is dirty here. So Jose and I are on our way to a quick little appointment. Better? Better. So we're on our way to a quick appointment, and then we're gonna get some lunch for us, come home, and then get ready for our trip on Friday. So let's go. We're gonna buy that corn to make clam chowder.
What's it coming?
What did I call you?
I don't know.
Where is it? Oh, right here. We're gonna need and clams. We're gonna get
You're gonna make clam chowder?
clam chowder. I think that's all we need from here, because everything else I can get at any other store. So
Let's go.
let me see if they have sourdough. If they don't have sourdough bowls, we can just take sourdough bread. But should we take it now? Should we buy it now?
We're here, we might as well. What do you mean?
Because then we're gonna eat it.
We're not. We don't eat that type of bread.
I do. I love sourdough. It's my favorite bread. That's why I don't buy it. Because then if I have it, then I'll eat it all the time.
Dan,
Skills.
control yourself.
I cannot.
Alright. Let's go.
So we just finished doing a couple of clips for a video that I've been talking to you guys that I've owed. Let me see, Joseph.
I got a surprise.
You got a surprise? If you guys can't guess, yes, it does have to do with the NFL. And it also has to do with LA Rams. Now, I have to fix this little table, you know, make it look like we're gonna eat there, since, remember, I threw away my dining room table. Since I threw away my dining room table and I don't have one, this is the one we have to work with. There's also a freaking chimpanzee here that escaped from the freaking zoo. Oh, and I burned myself again. Today I feel like has been like a juju on that beat day. There's been a lot of things happening. I burnt my finger yesterday. I burned my freaking hand today. I spilled the chile on my pants. All the freaking chile, like all of it. I had saved it for a recipe and I spilled it everywhere, so I had to clean it up. What else? What else, husband? Today has just not been the day for us. It's okay. Today's the last day, huh, babe? And then, oh no, we still have tomorrow before vacation time. But we're still taking the chimp, so we don't know how much of vacation that's gonna be. Hi, Joseph. All right, so I'm gonna decorate this table right here, see what I can do. I'm gonna put you guys somewhere around here so you guys can see what I'm doing. ¿Qué estás haciendo, Mela?
Aquí acomodándolos porque ya se
Mom, is there any erasers?
Getting the tamales ready for the cabbage. We got Joseph. Joseph, what are you drawing? Your name, and then who do we have?
Andrew. My name is Andrew. Hi. I'm her friend's son.
And then this is my little tamale that I'm making. Yes, I did burn my hand. And we got Alma and Natalie. We got Josiah. He's packing all the tamales, making sure they're stuffed with meat. We got Melanie.
We got her.
Everyone's packing tamales because we're all gonna pack them in our stomach. A ver, Mela, ¿cómo le haces? Mamá es a professional, ¿verdad, ma?
Clarines, pingüines.
Cheese and rajas. I have a video of you and Natalie like 2 years ago making tamales too. The one where you were like,
I remember.
I'm tired of this brown waffle. That's too damn bad.
I remember that day. Wasn't it with the banana leaf one?
Yeah. Elma's helping with the kids.
Excuse me, I want to be with you because you always make fun things.
What is it? Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. We are finishing up the tamales. I finally finished my video. You guys will see it soon. Finally finished my video. We still have more tamales to continue to be wrapping and stuffing, wrapping, no. We have more tamales to make is basically what I'm trying to say. We're also gonna watch the Black Adam as we're doing the tamales. And tomorrow, what are we gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow is the last day that we're here, so I'm gonna bring you guys along on prepping for our trip. We're gonna be gone for 4 days, so we're gonna, you know, bring you along to us getting ready for tomorrow, basically is what I'm trying to say. But that's gonna be it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on everything. That's it. Bye.